Hello, Blender enthusiasts. Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of awesome Blender tools. Today, I have an exciting lineup of Blender add-ons for lazy 3D artists, tools that are guaranteed to save you tons of precious time. Since this video is for lazy artists, we are going to take a look at Lazy 3D's add-ons. The latest one is Physical Fog. With a click of a button, you can add fog into your entire scene, saving you tons of time with auto domains, layered presets, dynamic physical volume interaction, and photorealistic scattering, all inside one clean workflow. You can add animated fog cards with flow maps, edge dissolve, and avoidance near geometry with over 49 presets. It's powered by geometry nodes and physical points. Objects can push through smoke and let it recover naturally. Lazy 3D has a lot of other amazing add-ons designed to increase productivity and save hours of your time. So if you are thinking of getting more than one Lazy 3D's add-ons, then I will leave the link to this page in the description below for your ease. The developers behind Lazy 3D are known for solid tools, so this one definitely deserves attention. And if you want all Lazy 3D's add-ons, then you can get Lazy 3D Ultimate Value Bundle, which will get you all add-ons along with any upcoming ones. Instant Clean, the ultimate mesh cleaner for Blender. Instant Clean is your one-click solution for fast, reliable mesh cleanup in Blender. Whether you're importing models from CAD software, 3D scans, or online asset libraries, this add-on automatically cleans up your geometry, fixes normals, and prepares everything for rendering, 3D printing, or export to game engines. With a user-friendly preset system, it streamlines your workflow and lets you focus on creating. ModStack, this is a super handy tool if you're working a lot with modifiers. It allows you to save your modifier setups as presets, which you can recall and apply to other objects, making repetitive tasks a breeze. There's also a fast access UI you can pull up directly in the viewport, and a few customization options that make the workflow even smoother. Definitely worth checking out if you want to simplify and speed up your modifier game. Ruben also have other amazing tools for lazy artists, designed to save a lot of time. The next one is my favorite, the Snapshot Addon. This add-on is a game changer for anyone who loves to experiment. With one click, you create a snapshot, basically a save point for your scene. Snapshots lets you instantly roll back individual objects, specific properties, or even recover deleted items. It's like having a super-powered undo button for everything. And for major changes, you can revert your entire file to an older snapshot. No more fear of messing up your progress. Seriously, Snapshots completely frees you up to try new ideas. It's a must-have for fearless creation in Blender. If you're a Blender user who constantly saves, you need this. Blender Kit is a must-have for lazy artists. If you are looking for complete realistic scenes or assets that you want to use for your VFX shots or simulations, then take a look at Blender Kit, which will give you access to over 121,000 Blender assets collection of high-quality 3D models, materials, textures, and brushes from creators worldwide. You can choose between the free and full plans, both packed with valuable resources. There is also a Blender add-on that you can install which supports customizable tags and advanced filters, helping you quickly find what you need. And download assets right from inside of Blender Plus. You can explore different collections handpicked by experienced creators or even sell your own assets within the community. So if you use my link, which is in the description, you will get 10% discount on Pro. When working with heavy scenes, performance often takes a hit. That's where Scene Boost comes in. This tool automates the process of creating proxies and LODs, levels of detail. Essentially, it builds low-resolution versions of your meshes and textures and dynamically swaps them based on your workflow. So while you're navigating the viewport, you see lightweight assets, but when it's time to render, the full-quality versions are loaded automatically. You can configure exactly what gets optimized, meshes, textures, or both, and even exclude certain elements to retain full control. It can significantly improve your workflow and allows you to realize projects that weren't possible before due to hardware limitations. VicCube also have add-on for quick hair simulation and aged effects for making your scenes look abandoned. We have a lot of useful add-ons and procedural tools created by CG Matter, made to save massive amount of time. Their most popular add-on is Camera Tracker, and it's for those who do VFX and other tools like Curvify, Xover, PhotoScan, and so on. There is also a Genie bundle, which includes 14 best tools, and more tools will be added in the future updates. The folks at Blender Procedural have created amazing generators that save so much time. They have SimFX, which is a simulation toolkit for different kinds of simulations. They even have Blender AI add-ons, such as AI Assistant, AI Depth Map Maker, and more. And if you're going to get 3 or 4 generators, then I recommend take a look at the Ultimate Blender Add-ons bundle. This bundle includes every tool Blender Procedural ever created. For those who want to add realism quickly, Gobos Master 2.1 is for you. This version introduces real-time Gobos, with 198 plus high-quality Gobos spread across 13 categories including trees, fences, rain, windows, street elements, leaves, procedural, and more. You get animated Gobos, static Gobos, looping shadow effects, multi-layer Gobo stacking system. This means you can layer multiple Gobo effects and control them independently, giving your lighting insane depth and realism. And the best part? It's currently at 40% off, and Blender artists also get an additional 25% deal on top. And the creator is also working on version 3, which will include a lot more features you will love. We have the powerful city generator, iCity. It is the most feature-packed city generator, and it recently had an update that made it very fast to edit the city. This one is an ambitious city building add-on. The workflow is straightforward. You start by drawing simple lines and faces to outline your city, and the add-on instantly transforms them into streets and buildings. Out of the box, it comes with a massive asset library, over 300 items, including more than 60 street pieces, dozens of pre-made buildings, and over 20 procedural building styles. You can adjust everything from street widths to building height and instantly swap architectural styles, so each city ends up feeling distinct. And the best part, you can even export it to Unreal Engine, Unity, and other real-time engines, ideal for high-performance environments and cross-platform pipelines. Trust me guys, iCity is the easiest way to build your city with literally no time. Let's move on to something every game asset artist needs, Assetify. This add-on is focused on simplifying the process of preparing assets for external platforms like Unity, Unreal Engine, or even 3D printing. One of the add-on's practical features is how it handles automated baking and UV unwrapping. For example, if you've been using procedural materials or geometry nodes, it can UV unwrap and bake these into standard textures and meshes that other software can work with. It also has a collection-based workflow, which is especially handy for projects with multiple objects. If you've got a group of assets, like props for a game scene, the add-on can batch process them to export while keeping your Blender project intact. It supports multiple formats, including FBX, GLTF, OBJ, and STL, covering most needs for game dev, AR, VR, or even 3D printing. The creator Assetify also created these awesome tools and assets. Top ones include StrandKit and Housify. Creating beautiful, stylized clouds in Blender often requires a combination of time and complex technical skills. But not anymore, as Rai has made Stylized Cloud Generator for all of you. Designed mainly with NPR stylized renders in mind, this tool lets you craft stunning skies effortlessly. It simplifies the process from idea to render, allowing you to bring a variety of artistic styles, such as anime, painterly, semi-realistic, to life faster than ever. Grabit is an add-on developed to help animators easily attach objects to other objects or characters and also drop these objects during or after an animation. Before Grabit, for a simple grab animation, you would have to use fidgety constraints or duplicate the object and animate its visibility. This tedious method has discouraged many artists from creating interactive animations. But now with Grabit, it's super easy. Housify. It is a geometry nodes-based tool that generates buildings based on your meshes with the ability to edit them in real time. It currently features 30 unique building modules and angled roof types, giving you the tools to create detailed and atmospheric buildings. You can construct houses. Whether you're building luxury houses, cozy cottages, hunting lodges, old building, constructive buildings, or entire villages, Housify gives you the flexibility and creative freedom to bring your architectural visions to life. Add ivy and tree, flower and pots to your scene to create a natural and cozy feel. You can set up a random distribution, density, and height. This is a great tool for anyone who is looking to create beautiful houses fast and easily in Blender. And after installing all the add-ons, your end panel will become cluttered. And to manage that, we have an amazing add-on called End Panel Manager. It helps organize the end panel. This tool lets you create custom tabs, assign add-ons to them, and collapse or hide sections you don't use frequently. After installation, you can start creating tabs right away, naming them based on your workflow, for example, grouping modeling tools under one tab and rendering tools under another. This makes it faster to locate the tools you need without scrolling through a long list. You can also exclude certain add-ons from being managed if you rarely use them but don't want to uninstall them. Additionally, the add-on includes update management, allowing you to check for and download the latest versions of your add-ons directly from the panel. For anyone working on diverse projects or frequently switching between workflows, the End Panel Manager is a great way to customize and optimize Blender's interface. And that's a wrap. If any of these add-ons caught your eye, you can find all the links in the description below. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out some of my previous videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.